हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जर्मन गीक। और आज के वीडियो में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे लेसन 22 A1 का। हमने अपने पिछले वीडियो में बात की थी बेस्टिम्टर आर्टिकल की, और हम इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे उनबेस्टिम्टर आर्टिकल की। सो विदाउट डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो उनबेस्टिम्टर आर्टिकल क्या होता है? ओके, व्हाट आर उनबेस्टिम्टर आर्टिकल? हम नॉमिनेटिव केस के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं स्पेसिफिकली। ओके, सो दैट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज जर्मन में 4 केसेस हैं और हर केसेस में आर्टिकल्स डिफरेंट होता है। इसीलिए ये मेंशन करना कि उनबेस्टिम्टर आर्टिकल नॉमिनेटिव केस हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट। नाउ मूविंग ऑन, let's look at these two sentences. Das ist ein Apfel. This is an apple. Der Apfel ist süß. The apple is sweet. Now here are two articles, der and ein. There is a definite article. This here, there is a definite article, and ein here is an indefinite article, okay, which is called unbestimmter article. Let's see when to use which article. So unbestimmter article im Nominativ, indefinite articles in nominative case. Das ist ein Mann. This is a man. Der Mann wohnt in Berlin. The man lives in Berlin. Now, before you begin with definite articles, it is very important that you have learnt the definite articles. Sorry, before you begin with indefinite articles, it is very important that you have learnt definite articles that we did in the previous chapter. I will paste the link in the description box below. Make sure that you go and watch that video if you have not, because it is very important that you first understand what is definite article before you begin with understanding what is indefinite article. So here are two sentences. The definite article there, as the name suggests, is talking about a particular person. So der Mann wohnt in Berlin. The man lives in Berlin. The man, that's why these articles are definite. Whereas in the case of indefinite articles, unbestimmte article, as the name suggests, we are not talking about a particular man, but just a man. That's why we use unbestimmte artikel. So it is very important to understand the difference between bestimmte article and unbestimmte article. So here you have to remember कि bestimmte article में हम there यूज़ करते हैं और there का unbestimmte article ein होता है. So that is very important for you to remember. Bestimmte article में, definite article में, we are talking about a particular man. Unbestimmte article में, we are talking just about a man. Moving on to the second set of sentences. Das ist eine Frau. Die Frau hört Musik. Das ist eine Frau. This is a woman. Die Frau hört Musik. The woman is listening to music. Now in the first sentence, we are not talking about any particular woman. We are talking about a woman. When the bestimmte article is the unbestimmte article is eine. That is what you have to remember. So when the bestimmte article is the unbestimmte article would be eine. Okay, so that is very important to remember. Moving on with our third set of sentences. Das ist ein Mädchen. This is a girl. Das Mädchen tanzt. The girl is dancing. So in this case, when the definite article is das, when the definite article is das, The indefinite article is eine. Okay, that is very important for you to know. Das ist ein Mädchen, this is a girl. Das Mädchen danced. The girl is dancing. Now let's look at the cases where we have plural. Okay, das sind Blumen, these are flowers. Die Blumen sind schön, the flowers are pretty. Now since the Blumen is plural, you can't use ein or eine. Okay, this is very important to remember that in the case of plural, there is no unbestimmter Artikel. It is very important to remember that in definite articles, we had plural, we had articles with plurals, but in unbestimmter Artikel, we will not have unbestimmter Artikel in case of plural. So please remember that. That is very important for you to remember. Now let's see unbestimmter Artikel. Let's see what we have just learned. Sorry for the typo. Here it should be unbestimmter and here it should be indefinite. Sorry for the typo. Now let's look at the table. मैस्कुलिन में unbestimmter आर्टिकल क्या होता है, इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल्स क्या होता है, ein. फेमिनिन में क्या होता है, eine. और नॉइट्रो में क्या होता है, ein. Okay, so ein, eine, ein. And there is no unbestimmter article in the plural form. Okay, so in below plural column we don't have any articles because we don't have articles in unbestimmter article. So I hope you have understood this topic. We covered bestimmter article in our previous video. Please go and watch that video. And we have covered unbestimmter article, indefinite articles in this video. I hope you have understood that. If you have watched the end of the video, please do give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video with the new topic, with another kind of article. Till then, bye.